You are warmly welcome. Be here to attend our CHENGLONG Model H7 Tractor launching event.
OMI is not a business about selling dump trucks. This is a business about relationship. And we can only build relationship if we have these three core values. Number one, honesty in dealing with our partners. Number two, integrity. I told my salesmen, do not ever promise what we cannot deliver. And that's our Bible. And of course, the third is service. Maximum customer satisfaction. But I can see the teamwork of our OMI team. And with this kind of teamwork, there's no reason we will fail. We will move forward. We will get rich at the same time. As long as we connect, cooperate, and hold each other's arms, we can reach our dreams.
Ladies and gentlemen, the CHENGLONG H7!
Thank you all for coming, and we look forward to a great business relationship together, especially in providing our clients the genuine parts and the experienced mechanical personnel. It is bigger than bigger. It is better than better. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed of our outstanding trucks.
This event will not be as meaningful without you. The product that we are launching today is the fruit of our labor. The bottom line is maximum customer satisfaction. We design our product in order to achieve that relationship. We will assure that there will be no stoppage on your business. We rest assured, and our commitment is your business is our commitment. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming, and please sign the checks to buy the units already.